Hub English, and I'm going to ask you some questions regarding this year's theme. So, first question, how do you interpret this year's theme in the context of journalism and education? I think the theme for this year is will enable the students to immerse themselves in writing news, and it will help them be educated and be involved in current events in the world. And it will also open their minds in the issues that, although sometimes those issues may not directly affect them or they do not care, but they indirectly affect everyone because we live in the same place. I think that, the theme is why do you think this theme is relevant in today's society? It is very relevant in today's society because we know that there are a lot of fake news. So it is important that students are well informed. They know how to distinguish fake news from real news or authentic news. Because in addition, if they know how to distinguish fake news from truthful news, they will be able to form the correct opinions and stands in different issues that concern them. So, what are some barriers of isolation and rejection that you think journalists, especially student journalists, face? What are some barriers of isolation and negativity that you think journalists, especially student journalists, face today? I'm not sure if I understand it correctly, but I think one of the barriers is the use of social media because we consume different types of information from social media and we do not know how students, especially that sometimes they are not correctly guided. They are not able to settle for anything, like as long as they lose something that they are able to give news, like they are satisfied, and that is not right because when you are a journalist you have to uphold the standards. Be a journalist, if you are truthful, you are reliable, and you use only the accurate information. Can you share any examples where these barriers were evident in your experience as a coach? As a coach, I think these barriers. I think one of the barriers is, aside from mentioned, grammar. Because when we consume different types of information, sometimes we do not care if the delivery or the content is well structured. As long as there's information, we think that's fine. But in journalism, we do not only look at the content or the words, the information itself, but we look at the correctness of the delivery and the choice of words, the appropriateness, and appropriateness in the sense that is it appropriate for the type of audience or the masses that we are trying to serve. So how do you plan to incorporate the theme into your training sessions with your student journalists? How do you plan to incorporate the theme, like breaking barriers to isolation? When we were training, I would always remind my student or my investor that when we write, we don't write for ourselves, we always write for the audience. We have to make sure that there is a what factor, or you always keep in mind how this article or this write-up will affect the audience. And what's the use of your output? So there must be a reason why. There must there should always be a reason why we write novel. Not only like there should be a competition season. There should be the readers after reading, they should be able to like walk away with something. They should be done with something that they have to think about, or maybe something that they can act on.
So how do you think journalism can break down these barriers?
I think journalism can break down those barriers by promoting, proper consumption of information and checking the accuracy of information, and also setting standards. When we, as mentioned, when we read the articles, aside from the accuracy, there should be proper structure, proper grammar, and appropriate use or choice of words.
So how can these values be applied outside of journalism?
Outside of journalism, as consumers, if we see ourselves as just mere readers or consumers of this information, we can use them when we make judgments, when we have stands, when we talk to other people, we share what we have read from those articles. We should always share the correct information.
So as a coach, how do you envision journalism evolving in the matatag era to meet these ideas?
Um, I think because the focus of Matatag is on developing skills of students that they will be able to use in their future career. I think journalism will also evolve to focusing more on the current issues in the Philippines or in the world, which affect not only the students but also the community